Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about writing portion. Or in that, dear children, I have taught you notice writing, invitation, formal and informal. After that, formal and informal replies. Dear students, I have also taught you about article writing, or I taught you three important articles. I hope you have understood and you must have written in your notebook. Yesterday, dear children, we discussed one more important writing portion, or that is letter writing. In letter writing, I told you about splitting of marks, bifurcation of marks, that for format 1 mark, for content 3 marks, and for expression 2 marks. So your letter writing question will be of 6 marks. I told you about the format of both types of letter, informal or personal letter and formal or official letter. I have told you certain points which are required to write informal letter and formal letter. Dear students, in your exam, mainly formal letter will come, or this formal letter will be of 6 marks, or in this formal letter different questions, different letters you have to study. Business letter, letter to editor, application for job, different letters you have to study. Today, dear children, I am going to discuss about letter to editor, which is very important. In your every exam, this letter to editor question will come. So you have to study this letter to editor very carefully. Dear students, letter to editor is written to the person who is authorized to edit and publish the news in the newspaper. Or this letter to editor is written on public issues. It is related to the public issues, related to the national issues, related to the local issues, the problem which are faced by many people of your locality, many people of your town. That issue you have to raise and you have to send this information to the editor, and editor will publish that news in the newspaper. So after that, many people will be aware about that. So this particular letter to editor is written on different issues. Today I am going to explain and tell you about one of the burning issue, and that is the indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. Dear students, yesterday I told you that the format of formal letter will be in this way. First you have to write the sender's address. So I have written here model town Amritsar, sender's address. Or after that, dear children, you have to write the date after leaving one line. Or date you have to write in this way: 14 July 2020. You have to not write like that 14.7.2020 or 14/7/2020, or you have to not write like that DATE. Simply you have to write the date in this way: 14 July 2020 or July 14 2020. This is the second important point. Third important point I have told you that address of receiver should be written in detail. That the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. It should be also written after leaving one line of date. And after that, dear children, you have to write subject. Or subject should be written, means on what issue you are going to write the letter to the editor. This is on the issue of indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. So subject should be written and it should be underlined also. Or after that, dear children, salutation, sir or madam, whatever you want to write. Or then body of the letter as I have written here. Or after that, here complimentary clause, that is yours truly, and then signature XYZ or any name if given in the question that you have to write. Today, dear children, I am going to tell you and discuss one of the important question. Suppose you are Mr. Amit Khurana, a resident of model town Amritsar, and you are very much upset and disturbed to see the condition of your city, as many people in many areas the noise pollution is increasing continuously. It is by the different sources. So you are very much, or especially by the loudspeaker, you are very much upset and disturbed. You have complained many times to the authorities, but they are not taking any action. So finally, dear children, you have decided to write a letter to the editor for highlighting this issue: indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. So for that, you have written sender's address, then date, then the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi, or finally the subject. Or when you are going to write, dear children, the letter to editor, so you have to follow the definite pattern, or you have to start your letter with important these lines: through the columns of your esteemed, means reputed, newspaper or newspaper daily, I would like to draw or attract the attention of general public as well as concerned authorities towards the major issue, burning issue, that is indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. Loudspeakers have become a great problem nowadays. People are using loudspeaker almost 24 hours. They are using it in a different ways. Early in the morning, our sleep is disturbed by the religious songs coming from different religious places. Or it, dear children, so our sleep is disturbed early in the morning by some religious songs coming from different religious places. Or after that it has become a pattern, dear children, tradition, that the advertisers of different films, they also come in group. They also try to advertise their films, and they play the songs of that film to promote and to advertise their film, and they move in different localities, in different parts of the town. That also create a great problem. It has become the tradition nowadays, even the shopkeepers, dear children, they are using loudspeaker for selling their products, for increasing their sale. Or this is a tradition nowadays. So from different sources and from different ways, this problem is created. And not only this much, dear children, some people make free and foolish use of loudspeaker. Loudspeakers disturb the people. Even, dear children, it disturbs the sleep of people, and the patients are not able to take rest due to this indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. Not only this much, dear children, it also affects the studies of children, students, or due to playing continuous songs on the loudspeaker, students are not able to concentrate. So this is a big issue, dear children. Or it has become fashion nowadays. People are using an loudspeaker and playing loudspeaker on the occasion of marriages, on the occasion of birthday parties also. They don't care about the neighbors, about the people of locality. So finally we can say, dear children, that there should be restriction on the use of loudspeaker. People, those who want to use loudspeaker and on different occasions like birthday parties and all that, they must take permission from the district authorities, or district authorities should, or there should be a time limit also. Or those who are not following the rules, those who are not following the orders given by the district authorities, they must be punished or they must be jailed. Will be taken, then obviously dear children, this problem can be controlled. Otherwise people will suffer. So after that, dear children, yours truly XYZ or whatever given in name given in the question you have to write. So firstly sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject, then sir, and then body of the letter, or how you have to start the letter I have explained. And lastly you have to request and you have to give suggestion, and then yours truly XYZ or name whatever is given. Dear children, I hope you have understood. Thank you, dear children.